Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved my first successful wash and go using CurlMix wash and go kit. I know picture day is coming up, and when I was in school on picture day, my hair was either blown out and I never really wore my naturally curly hair. Even after I was relaxed, obviously I didn't even have the opportunity to rock my natural hair. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to style your hair on picture day, then just keep on watching. I'm starting by saturating this old dry hair. Once it's completely wet, I finger detangle to release shedding and tangles and section it off to prep for shampooing. The first step is the pure aloe vera shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo that was gentle on my hair and didn't leave it tangled or dry. What I love about CurlMix is that they prioritize quality ingredients that are organic, vegan, cruelty-free, and totally recognizable. The wash and go kits also come in a variety of scents that you can choose from, even fragrance-free, but you guys know that lavender is one of my favorite scents, so I had to go with this one. To make sure my hair was super clean, I even cleansed it a second time because I wanted to see how my hair would feel, and to my surprise, my hair was still feeling soft. When it comes to shampoos, I love when I'm able to manipulate my hair in a way that allows me to lightly detangle, and this did that for me. This shampoo has a creamy consistency and a nice lather, so you don't need too much to get the job done. The second step is to apply the pure grapeseed conditioner. This conditioner has a lightweight consistency that's very hydrating. It immediately absorbed into my hair, making it softer and more manageable to the touch. The conditioner was not lacking in slip whatsoever, so detangling was a breeze. Once I got majority of the tangles out with my fingers, I go in with a paddle brush to smooth my hair and get whatever tangles I may have missed. And as you can see, the slip was real. After rinsing out the conditioner, I parted my hair in the direction I wanted it to fall to prep for styling. The third step is to apply the pure avocado moisturizer. This added a nice layer of additional moisture to my hair. I didn't even apply the gel yet, and my curls are already beginning to pop. Then for the final step, I applied the pure flaxseed gel. This gel had a different consistency than what I was expecting. It's creamy but slippery and silky at the same time. It left my hair even more defined and moisturized. Using the praying hands method with a little bit of raking, I made sure to work it in really well from roots to ends. I didn't use any brushes during these last two steps because I didn't want to disturb my curls too much. And of course, I made sure my hair was soaking wet to get the best definition and repeated this process on every section. This is what my hair was looking like after I applied the moisturizer and the gel. And here, my hair is about 95% dry. I made sure not to touch it while it was drying to minimize frizz, but my roots were still a little damp though, so I hit that with some heat to speed up the drying process. Although this is very cute, you can see my hair is super shrunken, so I decided to stretch my roots only, making sure to avoid my ends so that I can keep these perfect curls and coils. After that, I shook and picked to get my desired fullness, and this is the result. Super defined, bouncy, moisturized curls. Using CurlMix 4-step wash and go kit is definitely a sure way to get the perfect wash and go every time. So this is the final result. I am so happy with this wash and go. When I tell you, this is probably my second time attempting a wash and go because it was always a struggle for me to find the right combination of products that work together. But with CurlMix, they made a whole kit so you don't have to find which products work together because in the kit, they're all made to work well together. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, especially if you're looking for inspiration on how to wear your hair for picture day. I wish I had the opportunity to wear my natural hair on picture day and like just rock my natural curls because it's just as beautiful. You know? Like, why not? Huge thank you to CurlMix for sponsoring today's video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!